Hi, I'm Dennis from Accountant's Desktop. In this video I'll show you our hire purchase calculators, which for non-subscribers are now available for purchase as a standalone package. You can view any specific part of this video by using the links below and jump straight to that section. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up below and don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. Given the number of clients with finance for cars and other equipment, it's no surprise that these calculators are among our most frequently downloaded files. All of our calculators are Microsoft Excel files, so they have a familiar look and feel. And importantly, you download and save them to your document management system, giving you total control over and easy access to your client's working papers. Our hire purchase calculators are a quick and easy solution to managing your client's hire purchase transactions. They cater for a full range of contract variations, including weekly, fortnightly, monthly, and structured repayments. For each year of the loan, the schedules will display details and a summary of interest, prepaid borrowing expenses, and closing balances for current and non-current liabilities and unexpired interest. They also include a handy journal worksheet, which will calculate the opening journal for the acquisition of the asset and amounts for the end of financial year journal to update the client's ledger. And for early payouts, we have a separate file to calculate interest in that final payout year. And finally, for those who want to consolidate their figures for financial reporting purposes, we have a hire purchase summary sheet into which you can record all relevant details for each loan. This is a sample of our monthly calculator with some sample data already entered. At the top of the screen, you enter basic information about the asset and finance. And alongside to the right, you can see an annual summary of deductible interest and borrowing expenses. Below that are details for each month, including opening and closing balances, interest, the repayment itself, and current and non-current liabilities and unexpired interest. The final column shows deductible borrowing costs for that month. To update the client's general ledger, go to the journal worksheet, where you can enter current ledger balances alongside balances from the schedule for any financial year, and the update journal will be calculated. In an ideal world, the balance of these journal entries will be zero, as shown on the screen, but sometimes there will be a balance calculated. You need to decide which account to post that balance to, and type an appropriate description alongside that balance cell. This is our structured repayments calculator. The layout of this calculator is similar to the sample we just looked at, with the exception of the method for entering repayments. For this type of contract, you enter the number and amount for each different level of payment in their actual sequence to ensure correct calculation of interest. So in our example, the first two payments are $1,500 each. The next three payments are $25,000 each. Then there are 25 repayments of $1,250 and one final payment of $6,000. Below the total for repayments, enter the amount borrowed, and interest will be calculated as the difference. As with the previous example, there's a financial year summary and full details of all monthly repayments and resulting balances below that. This calculator will calculate interest claimable in the final year of a loan paid out early. Enter the amount and number of repayments along with the final payout amount. Then enter the amount originally borrowed and the total interest paid on the finance will be calculated. On the right-hand side of the screen, enter interest claimed in each of the prior financial years, and the total of those amounts will be deducted from total interest paid on the finance to give you the amount of interest claimable in the final year. For those who want to summarise multiple hire purchase loans for reporting purposes, use this hire purchase summary calculator to produce a list of all loans and their respective details for a particular financial year. These calculators will take the hard work out of keeping your client's general ledger updated with the correct amounts and balances for each of their hire purchase liabilities. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give it the thumbs up below and don't miss any of our future videos by clicking on the subscribe button. My details are shown on the screen, so please feel free to contact me for any further information.